Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about a brand that I got to know while I was in Korea, and today this video is also going to be about a giveaway only for the gentlemen. So let me take you right in. Let me take you, no, running through. Abdilla pathingala paduva. Idella nee blooper la thukki poduva. So I got to know about this brand called Makeup Pal, and they came out with this very easy sachet type skincare. The entire range of their skincare comes in these numbers, which is like 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is for the nighttime routine, and the daytime routine is right here. So this is the daytime, this is the nighttime. They have taken the guesswork out of skincare and everything else. So if you're new to skincare, this is something that I thought would be a great place to start. Another thing that they had thought of was these guys are also thinking of coming into India. So this actually takes the guesswork out of skincare, and I thought, why not do a giveaway for the gentlemen who might be following this channel, if at all, because I do get a lot of messages from a lot of guys who are asking me about how to take care of their skin, especially those who are having oily skin or acne prone skin, stuff like that. I thought this would be a great place to start. So I'm going to be handing out a small skincare bundle that will contain these kits. So the guesswork is taken out. As I said, this is the daytime routine, this is the nighttime routine. So this has a toner, the toner, serum, emulsion and the night cream. So you can actually start with the nighttime routine if you're not interested in the daytime routine. I did think that the cream and the sunscreen might be a little too heavy and might leave a white cast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding in sunscreen in addition to this for our gentlemen, and in addition I'm going to be adding in a couple of sheet masks and my favorite Nalpamaradi Thailam for the double cleanse method at the end of the day. So this is going to be, I think, an almost 6-step routine. Of course 4 of them are going to be in this, and of course there's the Nalpamaradi Thailam and the sunscreen and the sheet masks. So I really hope that the gentlemen who are following this channel, or the gentlemen in your lives, ladies, if you're watching this, please go ahead and enter this giveaway for the gentlemen in your lives, whether it's your father, your brother, your best friend, your husband, your boyfriend. So I really hope they are also encouraged into taking care of their skin. If nothing else, just cleanse with the right cleanser and to just use sunscreen during the day. That's about it. You have to do nothing else. Just leave a comment down below and we will choose the winner through a random lucky draw. That's about it. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.